Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. This is my third video. Okay guys, trade recap. So basically, last week I traded, I think, two times. Yeah, I traded two times last week, and I was able to take a $7 account to 62 or 63 thereabouts. Yeah. So these are the trades I took, and it was on synthetic indices, right? It was on synthetic indices. The first one was on Monday. That was last week on Monday, on 8th of June. While the second one was, I think, for Saturday 13th of June. Yeah. So basically, what I saw from what I saw before I took this trade was just simple. Let me first delete this. Okay, I'm not delete this. I'll try it. Okay, so basically I went to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see. Go to the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, so basically, what I saw in the 4 hours time frame was just simple. Everybody that knows pattern can spot this. So basically, I saw that price was on an uptrend. Price broke this place, but you can see that. Okay, let me go back. My philosophy, right? Let me delete this again. So this candle right here, right? This candle right there. Let me show you. This candle right there. People might be thinking that is a pullback, but it's not a pullback for me, right? If a pullback do not contain more than 3 candles, I will not count it as a pullback for me. I'm not going to count it as a pullback. So you can see that this one has 3 bearish candles. So for me now, this is the only pullback I can see. I'm not seeing this one, but I'm seeing this one. Yeah. So that was why it was not bearish in my eye. Yeah. So I saw that price was on an uptrend. Let me do it again. Price was on an uptrend. So price created this new high. So I was waiting for price, right? This is an indication. So I was waiting for price to create a higher low before I enter my trade. So price created an indication. So price started correcting down to this level, Remember that it not break this our previous higher low. It not break it. It corrected down here. So okay, as it corrected down here, I now waited patiently. Price started printing some bullish candles. So I had to go to the 15 minutes time frame. Anytime now. Network is really bad where I am now. Okay, I had to go to the 15-minute time frame. This is not the trade. Let me go back. Sorry guys. Okay, I had to go to the 15-minute time frame, right? I had to go to the 15-minute time frame. So in the 15-minute time frame, what was I seeing? I saw that price started turning bullish back. Price was bearish, right? So price started turning bullish. I was like, okay, price create the first higher high, created another higher low, but it's not a higher low for me. It continued going up. You break it. Okay, so what it did, right? It broke this previous lower high. It broke it, right? When it broke it, it continued going up. So now what I will say, price is officially bullish in the 15-minute time frame, and price is also bearish in the 4 hours time frame, as we know. So what are we going to wait for now? We wait for price, right? I could have bought from this level, but I said no, I should wait diligently. So price continued going up. So price started pulling back downward, started pulling back. So price pulled back to this previous indication or previous support level, or whatever you say, price pullback, but price not touch it, right? So anything above this level is going to be bullish, because price did not come below this level here. You can see the last time that price was below this level, it sold massively. So as long as price not come below this level right here, we are looking for buys. So what did I do? I waited for price to print a very bullish candle, and when it printed the bullish candle, I placed the trade around this level and put a stop loss below this level right here. Below this level right here, I put stop loss below this level right here, and targets. So once I have my target right, we place stop loss from the lower time frame, then place take profit in the higher time frame. Now let's go to the higher time frame, the 4 hours time frame. Go to the 4 hours time frame. So what did I see? I saw this previous support right here, this previous high. Let me delete this. I saw this previous high right here. Let me mark it so you guys can know. I saw this previous high right here. So I said, okay, this is going to be a nice place for me to place my take profit. So you see, this is like a 1 to 6 risk to reward, a very good risk to reward. So I was able to, in this trade, I was able to take my account to like $48. Yeah, I was able to take my account to $48. I withdraw part of that money before I took this trade. So that was how I took my first trade. Yeah. So let's go to the next trade. So the next trade is right here. So it's basically the same thing, right? Basically the same thing. Price was going bullish. Price was bullish. So price will create a higher high, right? Price created a higher high. So when price created a higher high, price started retesting back. It started correcting downward, right? Price started correcting downward, sharp. So what are we going to look for now? We're going to look for an opportunity to buy. We're going to look for an opportunity to buy, right? So me, I entered this trade a little bit late, but I thank God I entered the trade a little bit late, because, well, I don't know. Yeah, so you know why I thank God that I entered a little bit late. So price was bullish in the 4 hours time frame, right? So I had to wait for the correction. So I waited for the correction, right? I waited for the correction. Price started creating some bullish momentum. You will not see it in the 4 hour time frame, but you're going to see it in the 15-minute time frame or the 30-minute time frame. So let me just go to the 15-minute time frame. So I think in this trade I had to go to the 5-minute time frame to get some confirmation. So price was bearish, right here. So price started creating some higher highs and higher low, higher highs and higher low. It sold backward, and we both know that there are buyers at this level. You can see there are buyers at this level. So you can see the first time that price came to this level, price bought. The second time that price came to that level too, it bought. Then the third time price came to the level 2, it bought. So what I said that now the buyers are strong, are stronger in this market. The buyers are stronger. So what did I wait for? I had to wait for price to go bullish again. So I saw the price started getting higher highs and higher lows in the 5-minute time frame. I don't go to 5-minute time frame, but started getting higher highs and higher lows, and I say, wow, this is a great opportunity for me to buy again. So I went, and I think I entered the trade around this side. Yeah, this level, when price broke above this level here, this level right here. So I entered the trade there, then place my stop loss around this level downwards. But I adjusted my stop loss upward back. So my stop loss was below this level here. Then my take profit, remember what I said, I have to go to the 4 hours time frame, the higher time frame to check my take profit. So I saw that this was the previous high, so I saw that if price goes bullish, it's going to come and take out this previous high. Well, what did I do? I mark out the previous high. I set TP1, so price broke the TP1 and also go and break my main take profit. So that was how I was able to take my account from $7 to like $62. Yeah, there's still more to that. I think I'm going to continue trading the account, but I think I made some withdrawal because my brother needs to trade too. He's my junior brother. I have to trade too. Yeah, so that's it. Thank for watching the channel, guys. Like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Bye.